Want to save WhatsApp voice chat on your iPhone, but you cannot save it? Well, look no further. In this advanced video, I'll show you how you can download WhatsApp voice chat on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Download voice. Open up the WhatsApp app. Then tap on the Chats tab below. Next, tap on the Contacts. Find the voice chat. Press and hold on to it. Tap Forward. Look at the bottom right corner. Here you can see a share icon. Tap on it. You will get a pop-up now. From here, you can share this audio with anyone through AirDrop, iMessage, Messenger, or anything else. So, scroll down now to save this audio to your file. Tap Save to Files option. Now select the file location. After that, tap Save from the top right corner. Now go to your Files app and check out the audio. If it hasn't been downloaded, follow my next solution. Solution 2. Change Media Auto Download. Open up the WhatsApp app, then tap on the settings below. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Storage and Data. Again, scroll down and find the Media Auto Download section. Tap Audio under the Media Auto Download section. Select Wi-Fi and Cellular. If you are still unable to download voice chat, then follow the last solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you can't find the WhatsApp app here, next tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Hope you can now download WhatsApp voice chat on your iPhone. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any more questions, then write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.